Are you tired of losing sales because you can't create promo codes fast enough? Learn how to set up a promo code in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a promo code in Whop, from logging in to saving your settings. To get started, log into your Whop account using your credentials. Once you're in, click on Promo Codes in the sidebar. Then, click the Create Promo Code button to begin setting up a new one. First, enter a name for your promo code so you can identify it later. Now, set the discount type and value. Choose between a percentage or fixed amount. Configure the usage limits, expiration date, and any additional settings as needed. Finally, click Create to save your promo code, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.